How to use Spectrum Xumo remote. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily use your Spectrum Xumo remote. So in here, as you can see, this is how your remote should look like. So this button represents the mute button. This would be the volume buttons. These are the settings button. This is the more button, and this is the button that you should click for voice control. This one is for the select button. This is for the navigation pads such as left, right, up, and down. This is for the last airbag, and this is for the add button. When you click this will take you to the home page. This is an app shortcut, and then these are the number buttons. So your remote buttons are outlined above. Input. Change your TV's input so that you can use connected devices like media players, gaming systems, a sound system. Power. Turn your TV on and off. Volume. Make your TV louder or softer. Voice control. Search across your apps and control your TV with just your voice. Just press and hold the button, say a command, and then release it. Mute. Turn your TV sound on and off. Settings. Press 1 to open the settings menu or press twice to access your accessibility shortcut. More. See more options like program descriptions depending on which screen you're on. Navigation pad. Select up, down, left, and right. Select. Confirm your selection. Last or back, return to the previous screen. Add the TV show or movie you've selected to my list. Home, return to the home screen and app shortcuts. Launch the labeled app when your TV is connected to the internet. So that is how you can basically use your Spectrum Xumo remote.